So I am going to put a package of Carniolan bees in. So first I need to open up the hive. So take this and drop it down and take out a couple of frames to make room for the bees when I dump them in there. You can hold those. So this package comes with 3 pounds of bees. So 3C for 3 Carniolans. You spray it with a sugar water first so they calm down a bit. And then I'm going to pull out this can right here. The can is full of sugar water, which they've been eating for the last couple days. And as soon as I pull it out, the bees are going to start coming out. So just be aware of that. You can see that. Put it down there. All right. So right here, it's a metal tab. You have a queen. Drop that right there. See all the bees around her. All right. So first what I'm going to do is dump these bees into my super box. So you can see lots of bees in there. So take it like here and basically just dump them in. They'll be flying everywhere, as you can see. I take this and set it down. All right. Then we'll start taking some of those frames and putting them back in there. Now you'll see the bees start hitting you because they don't like you. They're not going to sting you, probably, because they have nothing to protect. There's no queen they're protecting. There's no brood. There's no honey, no comb, nothing they're protecting. So they don't really care about you. So in there. The rest of these will slowly make their way out. That's all set up here so they can kind of make their way up. Alright, now it's time to take care of the queen. So you can see the queen is covered with lots of bees. So you want to get these bees off of here. So you can tap it there or just like rub them off. Blow them off. Maybe spray them with sugar water. Some, I don't know. Alright. Brush them off. Alright. Eventually what you want to do is take the queen and you want to attach her to one of these frames right here. Bees bothering you?
I think it's stuck. I feel it.
Alright, so take this, attach it to there, attach the frame, and
Alex, maybe you can help him.
You see it?
alright, take the frame, last frame, then I put it inside here, and bees don't want to be smashed, so you can kind of slowly put it down and they'll move out of the way usually. If they don't,
Maybe put your hood on. You
alright.
might go inside though.
So now you got these bees all in here. You can see they're getting happy, moving in. Don't brush your hair.
It's still there.
Alright. Anyway.
Scott, Joseph. No, help Steve. It's still there.
Alright. For one step. So the queen actually can't get out of her cage right now. So, right here, there's a gummy bear in that package. Oops. On the bottom of this package, this cage right here, you can see there's a cork. And so the queen needs to get out in that cork area. So, alright, so she's still alive, that's good. So I take out the cork first, and there's a gummy bear I'm going to put inside there. Feel out this. Right now, this is not the queen these bees know, so they are They're not friends yet. Okay. When I get her out, I'm going to block the cork with my finger so she doesn't fly out. Then I take the gummy bear and I put it inside the hole. The gummy bear inside, then she can get out as soon as the gummy bear has been eaten all the way out. So I put her back in here, put her in there. Alright, so now the bees are all kind of finding their home. They're slowly moving in there. So it's time to put the boxes back together. Alright. So what I have is my first box I'm going to put in, my feeder box. So I'm going to try to slowly put it in here. Slide it from the side. Get bees in the way.
I'm just spraying with sugar water.
No. Slowly slide it across. Bees don't like getting smashed for some reason. So they usually just move out of the way if you kind of go fairly slow. Slide it over here. Alright. Okay, so this feeder box. I have a hole through it so they can come up and get all kinds of fresh sugar water. And I've got this thing of sugar water right here, freshly mixed. So get the bees out. You'll drown if you're in there. One out. All right, then I pour this in there. Alright. I really like bees buzzing my ear. Alright, so then you want to close this thing without getting any bees inside. And there's still a bunch of bees right here. I don't know why they're sitting there hanging on the side. They are, so we'll slowly slide this across.
Spraying with sugar water and see.
Got a bee brush, I can just brush them in there. It's all lined up. Now that box is in place, and it's time for my next box, which is full of cedar shavings. Move these out of the way. Right there. Any bees that get stuck in here are going to die, so if you want them to get out, there's out. And cedar shavings provide it's like a moisture barrier, allows the moisture to come up and suck it up so that it doesn't drip on the hive and kill the bees. And then I take my roof, I put it in place, and there are lots of bees sitting in the cedar for some reason. So drop it on, and we're done.